Welcome, future scientists and master illusionists. Today, we are going to explore an incredible way to transform your classroom into the most captivating show on Earth. Imagine a place where every lesson is an astonishing performance, and every experiment is a breathtaking act of magic. This is not just about entertainment. It is about igniting a spark within every student. Our goal is to make learning science an unforgettable adventure filled with wonder and discovery. We want to foster a deeper understanding of scientific concepts, moving beyond textbooks and into tangible experiences. By turning your classroom into a magic show, you captivate your audience, your students, from the very first moment. The underlying principle is simple yet profound. We incorporate scientific principles into seemingly impossible illusions. What appears to be magic is, in fact, pure science in action. To create this magical learning environment, careful planning is essential. We begin with experiment selection and demonstration, choosing activities that are both engaging and age-appropriate for your students. Each experiment serves a crucial purpose: to demonstrate fundamental scientific principles in a memorable way. Consider the classic disappearing water trick. You pour water into a cup, say a few magic words, and poof, it vanishes. The scientific explanation behind this illusion is the fascinating process of evaporation. This simple trick introduces students to the concepts of states of matter, showing how a liquid can transform into an invisible gas. It also highlights the impact of heat, even ambient heat, on molecular movement and phase changes. It is a perfect example of science hiding in plain sight. Another fantastic demonstration is the floating egg trick. Here, an egg sinks in plain water but magically floats when placed in salt water. This seemingly impossible feat is a brilliant illustration of density. The trick also beautifully demonstrates the principle of buoyancy, explaining why some objects float and others sink. These demonstrations provide a tangible link, connecting abstract scientific ideas directly to real-world phenomena that students can observe and interact with. Beyond individual tricks, we can structure entire lessons around a central theme. This approach builds a narrative for learning, making each session feel like a chapter in an exciting story. For instance, you could explore the science of illusion or delve into the magic of chemistry. Thematic structuring creates anticipation and excitement for upcoming performances, keeping students eager for what comes next. A typical lesson flow might begin by introducing a problem or a challenge. Then, you present a seemingly impossible magic challenge that sparks curiosity. Finally, you reveal the scientific explanation through a captivating demonstration, unraveling the mystery for everyone. This method ensures that the magic is not just a trick, but a powerful gateway to understanding. It transforms passive observation into active inquiry and discovery. The true magic happens when students become active participants in the learning process. We encourage student participation by allowing them to predict the outcome of experiments before the big reveal. This fosters critical thinking and encourages them to form hypotheses. We also encourage students to explain the science behind the tricks in their own words. This reinforces their understanding and helps them articulate complex ideas clearly. Providing opportunities for students to replicate the tricks themselves is incredibly powerful. This hands-on engagement fosters a deeper understanding, as they physically manipulate variables and observe results firsthand. It transforms students from mere spectators into active participants, making the learning truly their own. Fostering creativity and design is another key strategy. Challenge your students to design their own magic tricks, but with a crucial requirement. Each trick must be based on sound scientific principles. This enhances student engagement by tapping into their imaginative side. It also boosts student creativity as they think outside the box to apply scientific concepts in novel ways. This process encourages them to see science not just as a set of rules, but as a tool for innovation and invention. Emphasizing scientific thinking is paramount throughout this entire process. We highlight the importance of observation, encouraging students to pay close attention to details during each demonstration. We stress the value of experimentation, showing how testing ideas leads to new discoveries. Critical thinking is continuously encouraged, framing magic as a puzzle to be solved using logic and evidence. We encourage students to question and analyze everything they see, rather than simply accepting it at face value. This approach empowers them to explore the underlying scientific principles for themselves. The ultimate goal of this approach is to demystify science itself. By revealing the science behind seemingly impossible illusions, we empower students to see the world through a scientific lens. They learn that what appears magical often has a logical, scientific explanation. This method cultivates a profound love for learning that extends far beyond the classroom walls. It helps develop a deeper appreciation for the wonders of science, showing them that the natural world is full of incredible phenomena waiting to be understood. Our ultimate goal is to make science fun, accessible, and truly memorable for every student. We want to leave a lasting impact on their understanding and appreciation of the world around them. By turning your classroom into a magic show, you are not just teaching science. You are inspiring a generation of curious minds. You are showing them that science is not just in textbooks, but in every amazing thing they encounter. Let's make every science lesson an unforgettable performance, where curiosity is the greatest trick of all. Thank you.